Hi, welcome back to Tarot Page Philippines po. For this video, gawin natin ang energy check ng may mga sun, moon, at rising na Capricorn. So kung bago ka, subscribe, like, and share. Tandaan, readings are for guidance, so use your free will wisely. Capricorn, ang deity mo na nag-guide sa'yo ngayon for your energy check is Ceres. So Ceres, number 13, is mother, stability, and a wish to nurture. Literal, andito with the card, yung ni Ceres na as a nurturer, ando naman na be a giver. At yung pinapaalala sa'yo. Kasi mothers, sila yung one of the best and sila yung mga givers natin mga selfless givers sila. So, di ba kaya may mga kasabihan tayo na the mother's love knows no bound. So, this is also the time. Andoon na hayaan mo yung mothering energy is lumabas din sa'yo. This means as a mothering energy, andoon na yung gentleness. Kasi, sabihin na lang natin na minsan kailangan mo maging harsh kasi nga may mga taong sinusubok yung pasensya mo. But this is a moment that the universe wants to remind you that a mother's love can heal a lot. So, andito na sinasabi din ni Ceres na help them find their stability. Minsan kasi, yung pakikinig, yun yung minsan kailangan ng mga tao. Akala nila na hindi sila naririnig and a lot of people, walang time para makinig sa iba. So, the card is advising, try to listen to them. Hayaan mo sila mag-vent out without, hindi mo sila ginajudge or binibigyan ng advice. Once na i-release nila yon, once na ubos na sila, ready na sila na palitan mo yon ng understanding ng love at proper correction and wisdom. And mind you, makikinig yung mga yan sa'yo. So, I hope nakatulong yung reading. Those are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. At kung bago ka sa ating channel, subscribe, like, and share para magkaroon ka ng access sa mga future videos natin. And I'll see you soon. Bye!